Hello, welcome to our first algebra class. In this lesson, we'll start with Introduction to Algebra. Stay tuned. Before we continue, what is algebra? Algebra is a fundamental branch of mathematics that deals with symbols and the rules for manipulating those symbols. In algebra, letters, often referred to as variables, represent numbers or unknown quantities. And algebraic expressions and equations are used to describe relationships and solve problems. Key concepts in algebra include operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, as well as exponential and the manipulation of algebraic expression through simplification, factorization, and solving equations. Algebra provides a powerful toolkit for modeling real-world situations, solving problems, and understanding mathematical structures and relationships. We'll move straight to an example. Solve for the value of x in the equation 3x plus 7 is equals to 16. We need to find the value of x that makes the equation true. We need to isolate it on one side of the equation. 3x plus 7 is equals to 16. So we need to subtract from both sides to isolate the term containing x. This is what we do. After that, you will find that 3x is equals to 9. That's by 3 to solve for x. And that is what we do. We divide both sides by 3. Then we remain with x is equals to 3. Now, last step is to check the solution. We found that x is equals to 3. Now we have the value of x. We need to check the solution by substituting the value of x back to the original equation. And this is exactly what we are doing here. We substituted back 3 times x. 3 into x is same as 3 times x. That comes to 9 plus 7, which is equals to 16. Therefore, the value of x satisfies the equation 3x plus 7 is equals to 6. This example demonstrates the fundamental steps in solving algebraic equations, including simplification, isolation of variables, and checking solution.